Tired of your current bank? Maybe the fees are piling up, the app feels like it's stuck in the dial-up era, or perhaps you're just not feeling the love anymore. Whatever the reason, you are probably wondering, how do I actually switch banks? Specifically, how do I make the leap to BMO, the Bank of Montreal? Well, you're in the right place. Switching banks might seem like a Herculean task, a paperwork-laden odyssey that rivals ancient myths. But fear not. While there are steps involved, it's actually a pretty streamlined process these days. Think of this as your friendly guide, your compass pointing you towards a potentially brighter banking future with BMO. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's briefly touch upon why someone might consider switching to BMO. They've been around for over 200 years, a testament to their stability and enduring presence in the financial landscape. They offer a wide array of products and services, from everyday checking and savings accounts to mortgages, investments, and credit cards. Perhaps their mobile app has caught your eye with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. Maybe their commitment to community initiatives resonates with your values. Or it could be as simple as finding a BMO branch more conveniently located than your current one. Whatever your motivation, understanding it will keep you focused as we navigate the switching process. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually make the switch? We can break this down into a few key phases: preparation, application, and transition. Phase 1. Preparation, laying the groundwork. Think of this as gathering your supplies before embarking on a journey. You wouldn't hike a mountain without the right gear, and you shouldn't switch banks without getting a few things in order first. Research BMO's offerings, don't just jump ship blindly. Take some time to explore BMO's various account types. Do they have a checking account that fits your transaction needs and fee tolerance? What are their savings account interest rates like? Are their credit card rewards aligned with your spending habits? Their website is a great place to start, but don't hesitate to visit a local branch or speak with a BMO representative to get personalized advice. Understand the minimum balance requirements, monthly fees, if any, and any perks associated with different accounts. Gather your identification and information. Just like opening any new financial account, you'll need to provide identification. Typically, this includes a valid government-issued photo ID, like your driver's license or passport, and potentially a second piece of identification. You'll also need your social insurance number, SIN, for tax reporting purposes. Having these documents readily available will speed up the application process. Review your current banking situation. This is crucial. Take a close look at your existing bank account. What automatic payments do you have set up? This includes things like bill payments for utilities, rent, loan payments, and subscriptions. Who sends you direct deposits, such as your employer or government benefits? Make a comprehensive list of all these recurring transactions. This list will be your roadmap for ensuring a smooth transition. Assess outstanding checks and transactions. If you still use paper checks, be mindful of any outstanding checks that haven't been cashed yet. You'll need to factor these in when you eventually close your old account to avoid overdraft fees or bounced payments. Similarly, keep track of any recent debit card transactions that might still be pending. Consider your account balance. While you don't need to have zero balance to switch, it's generally easier to transition when your balance is relatively low. This minimizes the amount of funds you need to move over. Phase 2. Application, making it official. Once you've done your homework, it's time to officially apply for your BMO accounts. You typically have a few options here. Online application. This is often the most convenient method. You can usually find a clear open an account or similar button on the BMO website. The online application will guide you through the process, asking for your personal information, identification details, and the type of account you wish to open. You may need to upload scanned copies or photos of your identification documents. In-branch application. If you prefer a more personal touch or have specific questions, you can visit a BMO branch. A bank representative will guide you through the application process, answer your questions, and help you choose the right accounts for your needs. Be sure to bring your identification documents with you. Phone application. Potentially in some cases, you might be able to start the application process over the phone, although you'll likely still need to provide documentation online or in person. Check the BMO website or call their customer service line to inquire about this option. During the application process, be prepared to answer questions about your employment, income, and financial history. BMO, like all financial institutions, needs to comply with regulations and ensure they understand their customers. Phase 3, transitions, the smooth handover. This is where the rubber meets the road. You have your new BMO account, now it's time to move your financial life over. This requires careful attention to detail to avoid any disruptions. Fund your new BMO account. Update your direct deposits. Update your automatic payments. Consider using BMO Switch Assist services, if available. Monitor your old account. Close your old account. Switching banks might seem daunting at first glance, but by breaking it down into these manageable steps, preparation, application, and transition, you can navigate the process with confidence and ease. Remember to do your research, stay organized, and don't hesitate to seek assistance when needed. The potential benefits of a banking relationship that better suits your needs can be well worth the effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.